Hey, sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
Fucker.
Sit down.
You better.
Sit down or you're gonna go in cuffs. Sit down. Sit down.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna sit down.
All right, take a seat, bro. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
On July 7, 2024, just after 2:30 a.m., deputies with the Monroe County Sheriff's Office were dispatched to a bar in Marathon, Florida, following reports of a violent disturbance. When deputies arrived at the Brass Monkey Bar, they encountered a highly intoxicated man who had already been involved in a physical altercation inside the establishment. As officers attempted to detain him outside, the situation spiraled out of control. The suspect refused to comply, resisted arrest, and then escalated the encounter even further, kicking a sheriff's deputy during the struggle.
So everything is all right.
What's up, man? What's going on?
Some guy fucking ripped the shirt off my fucking bean.
Who did that to you?
Where's the guy at?
I don't know.
Is he still in here? Did he walk away?
He's probably still in here.
You
Out
okay?
of nowhere.
You need medical attention?
No.
You okay?
Thank God. No. I don't want to press charges against him.
All right. What is your name?
Huh?
What is your name? Do you happen to have your ID? Do you have your ID on you?
Yeah.
You mind giving it to me?
Yeah, no. This is, you know what? Sure.
I'll have a photo ID by number.
He attacked me. Man, I didn't
Relax,
know
relax.
where.
All right, man. You want to tell me what went on? What happened? What's the reason?
No, I won't go.
Just tell me what happened.
I don't want to tell people.
How did it start?
No, I won't.
How did it start?
I won't do. I won't do. He's okay. He just had a problem. You know, I'm just so sensitive.
And who's that person? Do you know him?
I don't know. No.
You're not gonna tell me what's going on? What went
I'd
on?
love to put him in jail, but no, I won't do it.
Yeah. I'm waiting for the return.
What's going on, bro? What's happening? You okay?
Some guy attacked me from.
Hey, you hurt anywhere? You bleeding?
No.
You good, man?
Good, I'm good. I'm just sensitive.
Do you need medical attention?
No, I don't. But some guy just fucking bulldozed me from outside. I don't know what the fuck happened. Yeah, I'm not gonna tell. It is what it is.
Ambulance come look at you, bro?
No.
Okay. How did it start?
Nothing.
Did they say something to you? You said something to them?
Nothing. I walked up and I was sitting down and he started choking me out.
For what, though?
I don't think for nothing.
Okay.
Always is for something. You know that. But,
Yeah, but what, though?
I don't know. But he started choking me out.
Okay.
He does crack. He does crack too. Whatever.
I wasn't the aggressor in this situation. He started pushing me around all around them.
Wait till the full moon, boys. Wait till the full moon, boys. I appreciate your service, guys. What do you do? Just scratch your back? Your little kitty scratch? That's all you got.
Do I need a little kitty scratch? You better scratch me right now.
No, I'm not.
Hey, look at this guy. Look at this guy, cop.
Stop, bro. Stop. Hey,
Hey, yo.
sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit
You
down.
better.
Sit down or you're gonna go in cuffs. Sit down. Sit down.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna sit down.
All right, take a seat, bro. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
No, don't.
Get up. Just get up.
All right.
Just get up. Come on.
Ow.
You're a punk, bro. You're a punk. Take a seat, bro.
Yeah, put him in the car.
All right, we're gonna get you in the car so you
Cut him
get
down
AC,
for
man.
weapons, all right?
Over here.
All right, come on, man.
I'm not.
I know. Ignore that guy, bro.
Yeah, I'm
All right, so
going
just so
to
you know,
jail.
at this time you are just detained, okay? We're doing an investigation. Apparently there was a fight involved, so we're like...
And I wasn't the aggressor.
We're trying to
okay?
We're trying to
And they're.
Stop.
Relax.
I'm just telling you to calm down. You're being kind of aggressive. That's why you're in handcuffs. If you're not in custody, you're not going to jail. All right. So we're just going to seat you in the car so you can be away from them, all right? That's all.
Take a breath, bro. You're good.
Thank you.
I'm just trying to get you away from those people, you know?
No, those people are. I want to go away from these people.
Watch your foot, man. Your car?
So he had been talking to me for a little bit, first and foremost, verbally,
Okay.
but context-wise, the girl had lived since she's been on it for a long time. Went to the restroom.
Slow down a little bit. I know you're going really hard. But try to understand how.
So I went to the restroom. It's on the outside of the bar.
243.
She was away from me. She went to see some friends, and as she was leaving to the left side of the bar, he grabbed her arm in a manner that's not appropriate for anybody to touch his girlfriend. Then he grabbed his friend, a close friend.
She's here? Here?
She's here, yeah.
Sorry, it's another person.
But he initiated the aggression against her. And with that being said, I really walked by him, I grabbed his phone, and talked to him. He got rightfully so, started punching me. I didn't hit him once, I just put him down to top of him. Never. But
So she's still here right now?
she is still here.
Okay, you know her name or?
Yes.
And when you say he grabbed her, describe to me a little bit more in
In the
detail.
restroom.
So you didn't see
He
it?
grabbed her wrist, everybody else saw it though, yes.
Okay, so you didn't see it, but she's told you about it.
Correct.
Okay. All right.
So how have you ever met this guy before?
No, it was first time. He also hecked me a bunch when I first came here.
Okay, you guys were all drinking together, having a good time?
I was having a good time, but he said worse man said nothing back to me.
Okay.
I'm a very patient guy.
Just out of no reason?
Just because, I don't know, he said he was gay.
So you never struck him?
Never hit
Pushed him
him.
at the
No, I
table?
didn't.
Did he swing at you? Did he
He
strike
swung at me, I
you?
didn't hit him at all. I was hit by something like this, he was hitting me in the face, hit me in the nose, I didn't hit him once.
So she came and told you after you exited the bathroom,
Yeah.
and then, you were kind of
Everybody else
agitated
saw
by
it.
this.
I mean,
So
that was the first time that he's been aggressive
you
with her.
you said you grabbed him.
I think I was outside to talk to
How
him.
did you grab him?
By his shoulders.
By his shoulders? Did you shake him, or you
I
just
grabbed
grabbed
him.
him?
Strong guy would grab him outside. That's
Which,
that.
say again?
I grabbed by his shoulders, brought him outside, talked to him, then he started hitting
So
me.
you directed him outside. Okay. All right. All right.
I'm, humbled and I mean, it's just not, touch me first and foremost.
As the situation came to an end, officers secured the scene and ensured everyone involved was accounted for. What started as a tense encounter ultimately concluded with the suspect taken into custody, facing the consequences of their actions. No matter how quickly things escalate, these moments show just how unpredictable police work can be, and how fast a single decision can change everything. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more real-world encounters caught on camera, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one.